my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with this hair and makeup. Asteria Hair sent me their human body wave lace frontal ombre wig in the color 1B purple. These waves are so pretty, you guys. I have it in a 22-inch, 200 density, and medium size cap. This wig is already pre-plucked for me in the front of the unit. It comes with pre-baby hairs too as well. The color of the cap comes in medium brown, and it is Swiss lace too as well. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and a lace in the back of the unit with adjustable straps. I went ahead and made sure I laid down my bold hold glue. You guys can watch while I install this unit. This spray tan by Sally Hansen has been my best friend when I don't want to bleach my knots. This is super quick and easy, so I went ahead and did that. I put it right on my lace. And then as you can see here, I'm using some water just to make sure I'm moving these hairs back into place so that I can lay down this lace, because sometimes hair can just be in the way. So that was just helpful for me. So now that the lace part is complete, this is what the waves look like once I was done and when I started brushing the unit out. This unit is super full and super thick. I love it. One thing I love about it is that I didn't get any shedding. The only shedding that I got was from me cutting the lace off. But other than that, it was no tangles or shedding. You guys know I give honesty on these units, so believe me when I tell you. I decided to do a middle part. Now it is pre-plucked all in between the lace. You can pluck it if you want, but I decided to do a middle part. Like I said, it will be super dope and cute if I did a side part too as well. Any type of style. Now I did style this into a top, half up, half down look. And I tried to do like this kind of style where it was like 2 ponytails on top, but it ended up not kind of working out. It was cute, but I don't think it was for me. Like, I tried to work with it, but it was just like, I can't do it. It looks kind of weird. I don't know. You guys will see as you continue watching me style the unit hair. So to lay down this front and to make it look flat and neat, I did put on my scarf for a few minutes, and then I removed it so I can start on styling it. So as you can see, this lace, let me show you. This lace looks so good. Let me know how you guys think about the lace, or your thoughts, or any questions about it down below. But to me, I really like the way this lace looks. This is its natural like body wave. As you can see, I did brush it out so it did become a little bit more, you know, bushier and big. And then I spray a little bit of water on it to just see how it looks when it's wet. This is not the type of hair that you wet and it like, I don't know, like, I don't know how to explain like that wet look. I mean, I don't think I would just want to wet it and make it look like, you know, like that wet and wavy look. It's just not that type of hair for it. But I was just testing it out to see what it looked like. And then here, this is the style that I was talking about previously that I don't think that I like. So I took it down. But you guys can see what I'm about to do here. I just did like 2 type of top knot ponytails. And I left the back down. I don't really like it. I've seen this style before. Like, it's cute on other people, but I don't think it looks right on me. Let me know your thoughts and see if you like it. I mean, you guys might like it. The style is cute. I just don't think it looks good on me. So yeah, it's cute, but it looks weird in a way. So then I just changed it. It's really up to you if you want this look to look a little bit more neater than I have it, but I decided to have it look a little messy, just a throw on and go type of look. It's still cute. I just topped it a ponytail on top, and then I kind of just made these curls with my hot spiral curlers, and I combed it out and made it look just messy and wavy. Now that everything is complete, I already prepped my skin with my daily moisturizer. I used that as a primer. So then I went in with my NYX eyebrow pencil, and I used the concealers L.A Pro and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium, and L.A Pro I used it in the shade cool tan. Same concealers I used on my brows, I used all over the lid of my eyes to prep it for the eyeshadow. This step just helps you to have your eyeshadows blend seamlessly out, and also I am going to make sure I set this with my Rimmel London pressed powder. You do want to set your eyelid into place after putting on your primer or concealer so that the eyeshadow doesn't crease. So in the 39A Dare to Create palette by Morphe, I took the color Scope, and I'm taking this all over my lid. I am working with this as a transition shade, so I took it all over the lid above the crease. In the James Charles Morphe palette, I took the color Tune. This is like a natural matte shade. It looks to me like it's like not white, but like a cream, like an off cream color. It comes off as that color. To me, it's not white though. It's a very neutral shade. It's very pretty, so I just put that all over the lid. Also, in that same palette, I took the color No Beans. This is a matte brown shade. To me, it has like the undertone, like of a red undertone to me. That's what it looked like, and I just took that right in the crease area, and I brought it a little bit into the shade that I have on my lid, and I just brought those together. And for the eyeliner I'm using is by NYX. This is my favorite liner. This is the NYX matte eyeliner. Since I'm kind of doing a neutral look, I decided to do some very natural lashes. These are still like glamorous and just like a little bold, but not too bold. They are long, but they're still natural looking. So I decided to do some neutral lashes this time. I know I'm always doing dramatic lashes. So since this is a natural looking, you know, type of look, neutral, I did mix the concealer with Cool Tan. I felt like this would just make this look even more like, I don't know, just a little more toned down, not too much. So I did mix these both together because I felt like both of these shades are two pretty colors together. So I did mix these both and blend it out, as you can see here. Now, even though this is a neutral type of makeup look, I know, I still decided to put on a little bit more concealer because this is my routine, just to have a nice bright under eye, because I just love my bright under eyes. I am so sorry, but I had to do it. And then, of course, I set it with my Rimmel London Stay Matte pressed powder. And to set the remaining of my face, I did take my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set everything all into place. This is their matte plus poreless powder, and I'll have the shade I'm using down below. In my waterline, I did take No Beans from the 39A Morphe palette, and I also took Sculpt and the color Evolve to bronze out and contour my face. Now, I know I don't normally use blush in my tutorials, but this is something new for my collection. This is the NYX Duo Chromatic. This is supposed to be like blush and a little bit of a highlight all in one. So when I was showing you there, it does have a little bit of like shimmer in it, and it has color too as well. And from the James Charles palette, I also took the color Face. This is a shimmer highlighted color in the palette, and I took that also because, as you can see, it's not too bright. It's just right. It's very neutral, and it just goes lightly nice into the skin. It's not like too much of a pop. It's very neutral. So, and I also took it in between my tear duct. So this is something new also that I love right now. This is the NYX Lip TEASE Full Color Lip Oil. So this is not matte. It's very like a shine, a gloss. It comes in multiple shades. I'll leave down, of course, what shade I'm using down below. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, I love it. It makes your lips like look so good. And then I just tapped it over with my Beauty Supply lip gloss. I love clear lip gloss when I do like my new lips. You guys know how this goes. So yeah, and then this just completes the whole entire look. I hope you babies enjoyed. It was super easy, super quick too as well. Let me know if you guys like this look, this whole look, the hair, the makeup. It was super fun, and like I said, easy to do, very neutral but still beat. I love you baby dolls so much. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you all in my next video. Also if this is your first time watching, be a part of the baby doll family. Subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.